Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Fallingford Financial. Just an update here on MicroVision. It's having a great day here today, up $1.25. Unfortunately, I didn't get in here or just noticed it when it's coming up here, so it's going down a little bit, but we'll see what happens here throughout the rest of the day. It's been up and down here for the last 3 months, 1039 up to, that would have been a great run there, 1039 to 2644, but this one's been kind of all over the place. I have 4 shares here, ticker MVIS. If you don't know what this one is, it's a Lidar, so feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. Been around since 1993, $2.5 billion market cap, 16 million shares on the average traded. And this one's been kind of getting some roller coaster action along with AMC and some of the other meme stocks, and so definitely one to watch, and if you want to trade it, feel free. So again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but just state my opinion on the stock here. And earnings are expected after August 4th in the after hours, so we'll see how they do on the next earnings. So here's where I bought mine at the end of April. Kind of after it ran up a little bit, I was thinking it was going to run up some more, and then it kind of fell back a little bit, but that's alright. I'm just going to continue to hold it. It's coming back up here, so this one's Lidar, so it's got to go up at some point with all the EVs, but again, this one is kind of volatile. Here on bar chart, day's low of 1750 and a high of 1932, so a great run there. And feel free to go over the rest of the financials there yourself. We kind of already touched on some of them. Over here to Yahoo Finance. Do options traders know something about MicroVision, a stock that we don't? And as you can see, this one's a couple days old, but it's still kind of relevant to the price today, I feel. So the MicroVision need to pay attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That's because the January 21, 2022 $1 call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options today. And this kind of goes over a little bit of what implied volatility is. So feel free to pause and go over that, as they have more information to go over and what analysts think. So, and we'll go over tip ranks here at the end. So, but feel free to pause and go over what the analysts think there. And moving on past, and again, that was on Yahoo Finance. Lidar lovers shouldn't pass up the opportunity with MicroVision. And here, this is dated on June 1st. Redmond, Washington is among a handful of tradable firms specializing in Lidar. Anyone who sees a strong future for self-driving technology should buy MicroVision stock. To be more specific, MicroVision offers laser beam scanning (LBS) technology under the brand name Pico-P. I've talked about the Pico-P and MicroVision on the channel here quite a few times. I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. This technology enables MicroVision to create high-resolution miniature projection displays and LiDAR sensors. As we will discover, MicroVision stock has fallen towards the bottom of its range. Also, it's been much higher, and next run up could happen at any moment. And that's why you see it running up. So this one, definitely need to watch it if you're getting into this one. I would set your stops, your alerts, whatever you need to do to protect yourself on this one. So as we already went over, and this kind of goes over it as a glance. And slowly moving on here, as of recently, as of December of last year, the shares were trading below $5 in January 2021. However, the stock started to creep upwards as if coiling for a huge move. That move came with a bang in February as MicroVision surged above $27. However, the share price then retraced its way down to 15. And so I probably bought in somewhere right in there, and then, like I said, it went back down to 15. So I did not buy any more, so probably should have, but I have enough here. I have some more in a retirement account, so I felt this account had enough. But interesting, MicroVision put and call options for July 23rd, and as you can see, this is just dated on the 3rd of June. So investors in MicroVision saw new options begin trading today for the July 23rd expiration. The formula is looked up and down the MicroVision options chain for the new July 23rd contracts and identified one put and one call contract of particular interest. Put contract at the 1750 strike price has a current bid of $350. If an investor was to sell to open that put contract, they are committing to purchase the stock at $17.50. And feel free to pause and go over the rest. Just kind of talk some more about the $17.50 strike price. Represents approximately 1% discount to the current trading price. And moving on here, Jefferies blocks short sells in GameStop, AMC, and MicroVision. Jefferies told clients Wednesday its prime brokerage arm will no longer allow the execution of short sells in GameStop, AMC Entertainment Holdings, and MicroVision, according to a memo by Bloomberg News. And this is just dated 22 hours ago. So might be seeing some brokerages shut down these trading of these shares at some point in time, like we witnessed in January, February. So it still kind of blows my mind that people are still trading GameStop, AMC, and BlackBerry, Bed Bath & Beyond. I sold out of all those a couple months ago and haven't touched them since. So made some money and walked away. News comes after a day after the latest meme stock, AMC, closed at a record high of $62.55. Damn, I should have kept it. I think I sold it in the 30s or 40s, I forget. After a 95% gain, the stock was down 5% Thursday at 1:37 New York time. So if you're trading GameStop, AMC, any of those, go ahead and list that in the comments as well. That'd be interesting to know. And I became a millionaire today. Don't know how many shares he has. When I wake up and see my investment in MVIS. Completions for its long-range LiDAR sensor, a simple hardware and development platform. And over here on StockTwits, a low of 97 and a high of 28, so that would have been an excellent return if you got in and got out or did an option. And so I'm just holding, just like this person, and crushing down the walls, baby. I see my dream number 23. Bull flag, June 1950 calls the other day. That was scary, I would assume. There we go, a little Austin Powers action. Machine gun jubblies for you Austin Powers fans. So come on, 20. Let's hold it strong. $30 again. And not much other information, and nothing here in tip ranks. That's kind of unusual, but it's showing it as a hold. But I'm currently holding this one, so I'll be holding this one for the long term. But it's currently dancing around there, 1940. We'll see if it can go any higher. And so currently the high today is 1937. So, and it's hovering right around there. So, see if it goes any higher. That's showing 1940. But if you have any of MicroVision, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have, and go ahead and smash that like button for me, hit the bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers here as soon as possible. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.